Okay na din yung pamilya namin lahat.
Gusto mo natin yung tayo? Kaso daw yan. Papalapak ako sa'yo. Baka malaot eh.
Kabina's anniversary, there are many things to celebrate, many things to be grateful for. It seems only yesterday, diba? When it seems only yesterday when you shared an embrace in the race at the Kapamilya Station ID, when Patrick blew Ella a kiss for the valuable net to annoy her, when Gina stopped to stare at Mikay coming down the stairs in a blue dress. When Billy kissed Jane on the forehead, nose, and then on the eye hanggang dun lang pala. Just like the nose, diba? When Angela and Kathy held hands, when Patchot accidentally told Ivan, I love you, and when you first met on Showtime but did not talk to each other, when you talked on Twitter about which gym to take to get to the States. Naalala niyo yun? We were each other's dates during the Star Magic Ball in 2012. When you went on a vacation together, of course, with Mommy. And when you shared an embrace on the Aranita stage with hearts full of gratitude. We could go on and on. We know your heart have its own list of things to celebrate and thank God for. As your dreamers, we are thankful for the chance to root for two very wonderful individuals whose team up continues to inspire so many. Evan steady through our motto. We are delighted by your strong desire to support both of you in the ways of power. Though we encounter challenges from all corners, we are unfazed for as long as we are always trying our best. This has helped This has helped us in the last 2 years to remain strong and continue to do what we are here for. We never said it's all going to be easy. We only say that it is all worthwhile. It is not only the two of you who make it all worth it, but our fellow dreamers themselves, the young fans, the mommies, the students, the professionals who make all this adventure we will each cherish for a long time. There may be some who have left sheep for various reasons, but it is our hope that their presence as once part of the group had brought a smile to your heart. We look back with gratitude on those who have sailed with us for as long as they could. We are thankful for the lessons, the ones learned in laughter and the ones learned in tears. Even before we say goodbye, we also will thank you, the dreamers. Grateful for sail blessing in calm waters and in raging storms. We bring with them their enthusiasm and talents and we look forward to an even brighter journey.
Ay, umiiyak ako sa atin, kaya hindi na maintindihan. Ay, 300.
Naiwan
Kanina,
yung
60
topic.
lang.
Ay,
Hindi lang to. Tingnan mo.
Ano, siguro na
Talaga.
nabalitaan natin.
For us to continue to sail on, we know this will take a lot of effort. Di ba walang tulugan? With every stay and and support that we share, we will continue to take time of our busy schedule, busy school or work schedule, sometimes